A home isn't just where you live, it's where your story begins.
For over 35 years, we've helped families write these stories.
What started with one woman and a dream
has grown into a family legacy and an ever-growing trusted team.
We're proud to be ranked in the top 1% of all the real estate teams in the city.
On average, our clients sell for about 3% above market value.
But numbers only tell one part of the story.
Our client care is second to none. They're involved preparing, during, and after sale.
With family values at our core, we go above and beyond to treat every one of our clients like our own.
Because at Lome Irwin, we don't just sell homes.
We help you begin your next chapter
With confidence and care.